Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. So on Friday, I mentioned as I will be coming up with a video to identify the stocks or the stocks which are resilient against the current bearish movement in index. So that is what we are going to see in this video. So let's get into the video and I'll show you the chart. This is investing.com chart. So you can use any charts for yourself and like TradingView, Zerodha, Upstocks, any charts, but basically Zerodha and TradingView charts are comparatively good, and investing.com is also a chart which is very clean and neat, and you can get all the indicators in this. So one advanced thing which I like in this is like you can add compare simples also with this, which is like the relative strength of the stock, which I can check in this. So that is one. I think now the recent brokers, everybody is giving that option. So now let's get into the video. So the stocks which are resilient against the current index movement. So resilient in sense the stocks which are showing strength against the index movement. So currently the index is in bearish trend, but the stocks which are performing in bullish side is what we are going to see. So basically, most of the traders and investors, there is a practice as like Nifty 50's movement would be, like a comparative signal to check the movement of the entire stock market or share market. But apart from that, there are few things which I would like to notify you. Even though if there is a like a bearish trend in the index or the whole Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is constituting of like 50 stocks. So their weightage will be actually making the index movement to move either on the upside or downside. As you know that HDFC Bank, Reliance, TCS are all holding higher weightage in that. So whenever they are moving in the the bearish or bullish side, the Nifty 50 will also move. At the same time, the stocks which are performing good, like stocks which are fundamentally good, will actually perform against the index movement also. So Nifty 50 is not a right gauge to differentiate or come to a conclusion, get into a conclusion that market is in a bullish or bearish trend. So that is what I am trying to give in this video, and also the stocks which are currently in this trend which is showing strength. So the first one is like Upper Industries. You can see Upper Industries, it is currently in the bullish like a bullish pattern, and you can see it has already made a W pattern, and it is continuously moving up. So how to identify that the stock is performing good is what we are going to see. See, this is the option. You can see there is a compare or add symbol in this. Now we are going to add here Nifty in this. So this is investing.com website. Every broker will have this compare or add symbol. You can just go and add it to the stock chart. So that I had added two, I think so. We'll remove one. So now this is the chart of Upper Industries, which is having a like candlestick chart, and Nifty 50 is having the line chart. So you can see Upper Industries is continuously moving up, but Nifty 50 is moving down. So it is very easily you can differentiate or classify that the stock is outperforming the index movement. So this is one chart, this is one stock which is performing against this. So you now as a trader or investor, you can pick the stock. This is not a stock, like investment advice, but as an investor, you can just go and identify what are all the fundamentals which is good, which is continuously or consistently performing good, so that the stock is performing against the index. So you as an investor have to go and identify or find the fundamentals which are working good. Maybe it would have come out recently out of the debit, or it is a consistent compounder for years. Maybe the continuously its sales are good, cash flow is good, increasing stakeholding and FID data. All these things you can check, and you can come to a conclusion whether you can identify. Like you can invest in the stocks or no. Currently, this is not an investment advice, but I'm just showing you how to identify the stocks which are against the index movement. So the next one will be Dynacons. So you can see the index movement is on the lower side. It is continuously falling, but the stock is continuously rising. So if you want to study on the fundamentals, what I use is screener.com. It is an Indian website. You can just go and study the fundamentals, why the stock is outperforming. You can see what is the cons, pros, cons, everything. And you can also study the recent the quarterly reports and yearly reports on that. So the next one, so these two, what I had shown is on the bullish territory. So it is outperforming. Now I will show the stocks which are performing along with the index. So if you go to HDFC Bank or TCS, so it will clearly show that it is moving along with the Nifty 50, because these stocks, HDFC Bank, Reliance, TCS, they are all main constituents or constituents of the Nifty 50, which has more weightage. So anytime it moves, it will drag the Nifty 50 also. So what I'm trying to give you is like Nifty 50 is not the only one, is the metric to gauge the market, whether the market is bullish or bearish. So I will show you other stock also. We'll get into Reliance. Reliance Industries. You can see it is closely moving along with the index movement. This you can use also to compare with the sector also, because you can identify using this method to identify which sector is outperforming the index movement. Now the broader market, every sector is falling. So you can just go and check yourself how it is. Every sector is performing, like Nifty FMCG, Nifty Auto, Nifty IT, Nifty Bank. So we will, in this video, we will see only these things, how to check on this. So you can, like this, you can check the few stocks or the stocks which is in your portfolio, how they are outperforming or underperforming. So we will see one more stock, and then we will just wind up with this video. You can see the stock is continuously outperforming the index. So that's it, guys. You can use this comparative symbol of Nifty 50, which is like to identify the relative strength of the index with the particular stock. Using this methodology, you can also use this to identify the strong or outperforming sectors also. I hope this helps you and learn a new thing. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.